part of human behavior. It is the men cancer. It is part of human behavior.
Because welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Abrante bi wo ho a ye friend no minim ni dim, but according to sources no, allegedly, or your NDC communication officer for Asawasi, I believe is in the Ashanti region. Now, Abrante we recently, I think just yesterday or today, Krana, Ekoba said he was on a show, and our show no so no Okasembia. I think, say, it is becoming one too many. It's becoming something that NDC is winning notoriety for. Or say, nkofo kosko anka, omuntu adie wa PZ. Standing to reason, say, ye mamenum, ye papanum, ye nyanum, ye adofo num amu ye juma, anasa omuntu andie, wa PZ no. I say, they don't have intellectual firepower. Why did he make this statement? Yesterday, or 2 days ago, I believe, the Minister of Interior, Ayɛka, Muntaka, went to visit traders who were affected by the fire at Edum. Okoye, he went with oil, rice. Now, the traders welcomed the minister, but they made the minister understand, say, right now where they are, no, I see, you know, and a money oil asem. That is not what is required right now. What they want as a matter of urgency is that the place be cleared up and reconstruction to begin as early as possible. Because many of them know a daily bread that has been that went up the flames. And so they are not really interested in food. Where they stay, or more apartment, or more accommodation is not affected. And so they ask the minister that they don't want the rice, they don't want the oil. He can go back with those, but because our buying mono, on making sure say the reconstruction of Edum PZ no is done as early as possible so that they can return to do work. Number 2, almost catch a minute and say, more promises say muba and a human bank be started. And to say Assembly Kobase say we have lost our properties through fire. Okay? And we need to, as quickly as possible, restart our businesses. This is a good place to start your investment in terms of the Women's Development Bank, especially for those women who have had their stores and co affected. No, you can use the money, the seed money that you have put aside for the Women's Development Bank, to give them some soft loans so that they can buy stuff and start selling again.
Oh, be a shop as you. Oh, to just say, yeah, the school at the aquarium so.
Oh,
that's any much at the phone no.
Anyway, it's
now
part
school
of
no
human
call
behavior. It is the men cancer. It is part of human behavior.
Because also Bibi also tell you. Bibi also tell you. But
there be one can here. Debbie. I'll not allow you to say that. No. Not on this platform.
This has been the request that our siblings have been making. And I don't think, say, something that is bad to the extent, say, this young man, who we hear is a communication officer of NDC at Asawasi, will go to this extent to insult them so one go school. You see, NDC, per nature, no, they don't know how to tolerate people. They don't. They think, say, everything is buga, everything. They want to do it by force. They want to insult and all. And it's because we have been entertaining this attitude over and over that they think that nobody can call them to order. You see, the arrogance of power. The same people, some of these people who work at Blue Light, some of these people who work where this fire has taken their investment, some of them voted for you. Some of them voted for you. Some of them are the reason why today you can go and sit on radio and wear a nice wristwatch. And you think you can just speak to them anyhow. Why? Because your party is in power. They are not tolerant. These guys, these NDC people, they are not tolerant. They don't know what is tolerance. They do not. They have absolutely no respect for Ghanaians. No respect whatsoever. You have the temerity, the courage to tell Ghanaians, say, Ghanaians who are doing business, who says that everybody that goes to school makes it? Not everyone who goes to school makes it. If it were that Obia Oko school never make it, then we don't have people who are graduate and are home jobless. And in society, everybody is needed. Everyone in society has a part to play. Everyone, including the trader at Blue Light that you do not respect. And some of the people who sell those things there, the shoes, the things they sell at Edumpi, some of them are richer than this senseless person that is on radio and has a camera in front of him that is speaking anyhow. You see, they started these things, they attacked Kufuor, who is an elderly man, an elder statesman of Ghana, respected all over the world. They attacked his infirmity. We kept quiet. They attacked Akufo-Addo. We kept quiet. Now the very people who have voted for them, the very people who have given them power, which power they are now using to appoint friends and family, they also know they are beginning to receive stray bullets. NDC. You see, you should be careful because, you see, 8 years, 4 years is not forever. 4 years, no. And yet forever. Anything can happen. 4 years will come just now. And all these words, these things that you are boldly saying, these insults that you are unleashing on innocent Ghanaians, people who have lost investment, people who are breadwinners of their families, their investments have gone down ashes. And you are telling them, you are speaking to them this way because they said they don't want rice, they don't want oil. We must be careful. NDC, you have to be very, very careful. And this guy must, as a matter of urgency, apologize to our traders. He must apologize and retract. Because this thing is imbecility. If you want to pay him back, if you want to respond to him for what he has said, no, I'm not sure that it will augur well. So NDC as a party must, as a matter of urgency, come out to dissociate themselves from this guy. And he must be punished. He should not ever step in Edum. This guy, he should never step in Edum. Because you cannot insult our hardworking Ghanaians. Ghanaians who are not corrupt. Ghanaians who have used their own monies to create jobs for themselves. You cannot insult them in this manner. This has been the Political Rant with me, the voice right here on Ghana SM TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.